Hello friends! Today we're going to be talking about creating an assignment in Google Classroom that includes both a YouTube video and an assignment that each student is going to get and be able to edit and turn in individually. So we are going to do this assuming that your Google Classroom is already created, set up, and ready to go. I'm going to open my browser, I'm going to the dock icon, and open my Classroom app. We're then going to select the classroom that we wish to create the assignment in. Boom, we're now at the stream. To create the assignment, we're going to go to classwork up here at the top. Up in the top left, you'll see this big highlighted button that says create. You are going to click it. And we are making an assignment. Excellent. Once you get here, I like to title mine first so I remember what assignment I'm creating. I make sure that my assignment titles are very specific so kids know exactly which one they need to be doing at any given time. Now I'm a choir teacher, and so we're going to be doing a choir performance analysis, a video analysis. So I'm going to title it Choir Performance Analysis. And I'm going to include the title of the piece they will be analyzing because I might do this more than once in a year and they'll need to know which one to do. So I'm going to do one on a piece called Afternoon on a Hill. Excellent. I'm going to get to the meat of it right away because I like to make sure that I remember every bit that I need to add. So to start, I'm going to add the video. Down here you can see the YouTube icon. Go ahead and click that. If you know what video you're looking for, you can search it in the box, or if you have a link, you can copy and paste it. I do know what I'm looking for. I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. Afternoon on a Hill, and I know who uploaded it. So that should pop up right away. There are my options. I know this is the one I want because it's the widescreen version. I have clicked it, made sure that it is highlighted, and then I will add it to the assignment. Once that is in there, I'm going to add the actual analysis, the Google Doc, where the kids will go through and analyze this performance. So I'm going to go to the Drive icon because I have already created the assignment that they will need. I'm going to go to Recent. Oh my goodness, it's moved down some. There we are. Oh, it's right at the top. Choir Analysis Afternoon on a Hill. As you can see, I've already created it. So I'm going to click it, make sure it's highlighted, and hit Add. Awesome. So I'm going to make sure that every student has their own copy of that document that they can edit and send to me. Nobody else touches that. Nobody else sees that. So we're going to go down here where it says Students Can View. We're going to hit the little arrow. We're going to change that to Make a Copy for each student. Now I know the points I'm going to want for this based on the questions I've written, so I'm going to make that worth 10 points. You can make it ungraded. Due date, let's say it's due on Friday at the end of what would be school time, so 3:30 p.m. Excellent. And because I like a nice organized classroom, I'm also going to add it to a topic. Now this is a choir performance, so we'll add it to performances. Finally, don't forget to add the instructions. So number 1, watch the attached video of Eric William Barnum's Afternoon on a Hill. I like to include as much information as possible for my kiddos, including the composer of any given piece. Number 2, open the attached Google Doc and answer the questions about the performance. Now I have additional instructions in that Google Doc that say things like use choir-specific vocabulary and lead them in the right direction. So this is just my basic, do this, turn it in. And then finally, at the top right-hand corner of each doc, there is going to be a button for students to click Turn In. And I like to remind them to hit that just so I can get the notification that, boom, they're done, and there's no discrepancy on whether or not they've completed the assignment or not. So, I'm going to say be sure to hit Turn In once you have completed the analysis. Awesome. We're going to go ahead and assign it for today. You can schedule it to be assigned later, but we're going to hit Assign because there's 2 different things in there. It might take a second to load. It's saved. It's loading up onto my classroom. Awesome, and I like to make sure things are in working order, so I'm going to go down to my topics, find performances. Boom, choir performance analysis. You can tell this is the second time I made this video. I don't need that one. Delete it. It is in bold gray, so it's up, ready to go. Unlike the dim gray, that means it's scheduled. So we are highlighted. I'm going to click on it. The link is there. There's the video they will use. And there's the copy of the Google Doc that they will get if they click on that. Great, there you go. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial on how to create an assignment in Google Classroom with a YouTube link and with a doc that each student gets individually.